Hey everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we are talking about lookup in SSIS. The lookup transformation is similar with join function in SQL Server to input columns with columns in a reference dataset. When I worked for HR department, there were 3 tables: employee table, department table, and salary table. Every month, I had to extract a paycheck list to account payable. It included employee ID, employee name, department name, and salary. If made it work, I had to run a join script like this in SQL Server. I am a lazy guy. I want this job could be done automatically. I developed a SSIS package to do it. Create a new project. Paycheck list. Then create a new connection. OLEDB. OK. Then add a .flow task. Rename is paycheck list. Then we do it step by step. Firstly, we need a source. We know our data from database, so we choose OLEDB source. Rename employee. Access mode. Table. Employee. Column is OK. We don't need arrow information in this case. Click OK. Secondly, we drag in a lookup transformation. Named is add department. Select no catch. OLEDB, then to redirect rows to no match output. Connection use table department. Check department name and link them. Click OK. Thirdly, we drag in another lookup transformation. Lookup match output. Rename is add salary. Select no catch. Redirect rows to no match output. Connection use table salary. Check salary. And mapping them. Click OK. We need a destination. Flat file destination. Connect them. Create a new connection. Choose delimited. Paycheck list. New output folder. Paycheck list. CSV file. advanced, delayed, department ID, and salary reference. Review. Check column name in the first data row. Mappings. Everything looks good. Rename paycheck list CSV. Rename package paycheck list. Execute this package. Let's find the paycheck list CSV file in new output folder. Perfect job we made. Let's learn SQL from real jobs. See you next course.